Okay, now we're on my driver app screen. The surge has calmed down, so I will go ahead and turn on Uber Comfort. I will turn on Uber X, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna take it. I'm just turning it on because the surge that was building up, it just died at 150, meaning too many drivers came in, and that's okay. But the goal today is to actually show you how I made, let's go back to yesterday. I'm not going to talk about the $2,000. $2,100, right? I got a tip. Oh, look at that. $17 to go 7 miles and 20 minutes and come back. That's nice. That's not bad. I just started working right now. So hold on, Uber. Give me something a little bit more because I want to work on the 451. Okay, check it out. On Sunday, we made $410. Plus, I got a $20 cash tip. And I got tips from a couple days before. I think I ended up cashing out. Let me show you exactly what I cashed out so I can show you how we did that. I cashed out, if you look right here, boom, $430, right? Oh my goodness. What is that? 25 minutes to Torrance. 30 minutes. That's pretty good, actually. But you know what? Give me comfort because there's a more chance of me getting a tip. Now this is going to be tough. I'm going to try to teach you about how I made $450 and Uber's going to keep popping. And if something comes, around $30, I'm probably going to take it. But check it out. $430 plus a $20 cash tip. It's right here. I've been getting a lot of cash tips. $20. And that's how I made $450 on New Year's, right? Let's talk about that. Okay. Now, well, let's see where we are on the queue. Oh, this is good. 76, 56, 41, no problem. All right, hopefully I can finish this video before I get a ride. All right, here we go. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna look at Sunday. I'm gonna hide my face so it's easier for you to see my screen. And we're gonna go over, we're gonna go over the whole breakdown. Okay, let's start from the beginning. That's today, and we'll look at the bottom, okay? There you go. So you're gonna start looking from over here and work your way up as I talk to you. And actually, I'm gonna leave it on non-compact mode so you guys can see the pickup and the drop-off in my style of driving. Okay, here we go. So pay attention to right here. I started at 12 o'clock. Just so I can make a little bit of money before it gets busy around 4 or 5 o'clock, right? For New Year's Eve, my first passenger was from Burbank Airport to West Hollywood. Okay, $23, 11 miles. I think that's pretty good. Then right away, I got a ride to Canoga Park. Okay, and this is Uber XL now. They only wanted me to take bags or packages. I said, no problem. Easy ride, $37. And this is basically from where I dropped off the last passenger to Canoga Park. Canoga Park is kind of far, okay? From Canoga Park is where I got lucky. So basically from Canoga Park, it's in the middle of nowhere. I ended up getting a $74 ride to Palmdale, right? Palmdale is far. I didn't get anything from Palmdale coming back, but I took it, and the lady gave me a tip, and we had a great conversation. So look, Canoga Park to Palmdale, and I'm going from passenger to passenger, city to city, okay? Once I got the $74 in Canoga Park, I drove all the way back to Santa Clarita. I would say that's at least about, 30 miles I came back. And then I got a ride to Pacoima. And this is where a guy gave me $20 cash tip, okay? So it's not the $13. The $13 is literally from Costco gasoline to Burbank, right? But the $20 cash turned this into a $33 ride. And I remember this dude, his name was Jose. I can't forget him. We had a great conversation. And he actually wants to drive Uber, okay? Then from Pacoima, before I even got to Burbank Airport, I was very close to it. I got a $36 Uber XL ride. I took and I dropped these kids off at downtown LA for a rave. Easy money, right? After that $36, I'm in downtown LA. From downtown LA, I think I was leaving and I ended up grabbing somebody and dropping them off on Sunset Boulevard, which is probably West Hollywood. Another $30 nice and quick. Now notice there's no surge on New Year's Eve, right? Unfortunately. Then I got $26 Uber XL, just nice and little. My goal was very simple. 30 bucks here, 30 bucks there, 30 bucks here, 30 bucks there. That's it. I was just focusing on 30 bucks and ignoring the surge completely, because like it's 9 o'clock. Last year it was surging. This year it's not surging, no problem. Okay. Then from Los Angeles, I went to Sherman Oaks. Sherman Oaks is basically allowing me to use the freeway to move hella fast. And Sherman Oaks is just literally over the valley, right? Then from Sherman Oaks, if you notice, this was a risky one. These are girls that I brought back, 4 of them to Santa Monica, and I dropped them off, and one of them was a little drunk and tipsy, and I was hoping to cancel that. I didn't. I was hoping they don't throw up. They didn't. I think one of these idiots peed in my car in the back, but guess what? I don't have to worry about it. Well, I do. I kind of have to clean the car. But somebody else sat on that pee. It's not my fault. Maybe it was water bottle. I'm not sure. But something back there didn't look right. It was a wet spot. And you know what I did? I turned my light off so no one can tell. And I kept going, because most drunk people, they can't tell. Okay, that's another $30. But notice very little on the surge going on over here. Okay, then after the $30, I went, oh, 77, that was money. Okay, I went and positioned myself. I had to make a choice at 12 in the morning, right? Do I want to stay and deal with drunk people, or do I want to go to LAX and get a big ride? Went to LAX, waited less than 5 minutes, and I got a ride to Santa Clarita. Santa Clarita is close to where I live in Acton, and they gave me a fat tip. I made it $77, and this was the best decision I could make, because I ended up in Valencia, and look, I ended up making a... Uh-oh, what you got for me, Uber? Oh, 8 miles to go... No, Uber. Give me something more, buddy. $18, no. Give me more. $20, no. $20 return, no. No. Okay, we're going to keep saying no right now, but I think my turn's coming up, so I got to end this video fast, guys. Look, then when I was in Santa Clarita, I went to Valencia, which is very close, and I forced the app to give me what? 2 miles at 1:22 in the morning for $16. Then I did another one. I know Uber was offering $5 here, $6 there. I kept saying no until I got another one for 3 miles and $15, and that's it. After that, it was like 2 in the morning. I got tired. Did I do one more? No, I think this is today in the morning. Yeah, 10:17 in the morning. So that's it, guys, right here. So now let me make it compact so you can see this whole thing. So this is literally how I made $410 yesterday. I started at noon. You can see down here. I started at noon, right? And I worked my way up this way. You can see the time. So let's recap. $23 at noon, $37, $74, a big payout. Then took a break, then started again at 5:30, $13. That was a $33 with a $20 cash tip. 36, 30, 26, 29, 30, 77, big payout. 16, 15, right? But count these small dinky rides back to back in an area where there's no Uber drivers, right? So hella quick, I made 30 bucks there, right? So the goal was what? Very simple. Get to $400 so I can get to $2,100 for the week. My friends. Now let's see where we're at for right now. Now, while I've been talking to you for 9 minutes, look, my turn is already coming up. I'm going to stop this video and I'm going to upload it and start another video. In case something pops up, I want to be able to record it. Guys, this is literally how I made $450 on New Year's Eve, right? And I went through it fast. I went through it in 9-10 minutes. So you can watch it, you can understand my strategy, and hopefully you can ask questions, right? And if you want, I can slow it down and I can show you play by play. Actually, let me know in the comments, because I'll show you a little bit of what I did yesterday. Yesterday, I ended up recording every single ride. Let me show you. Let's just go with the last one. I recorded every single passenger, every single ride, and I took screenshots to help you guys out next year. This is where I'm at 379, right? Literally, what I'm doing, what's going on. I made videos, I took screenshots, things that I'm passing on. If you want me to make a longer video that's about an hour, hour and a half long, that's basically going to tell you that this is what Santa Clarita looked like last night. I can make a longer video and I can let you guys know what's going on. And I can make another video that shows you how I ended up making $2,100. I think I'm still going to do that. Okay, my friends, God bless you. Have a beautiful day. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hook a Pakistani brother up.